Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions. Just finishing up here in Lake Elmo at the Cedar Grove Farm. I basically have about 100 feet left to wrap, which does not take long at all. The only reason I had to stop is there's an event taking place here. So I got to get out of here and I got to put the gates together, and that's basically why I slowed down. I'm gonna flip you around and take you on a little walk along this fence to show you what I have done. Here we go, flip you. All right, here's an entrance. As you see, my roll of fence is still there. That's where I stopped. I have that 30 feet to go there, and then obviously my gate. That's 10 feet, so there's 40 feet, and that's 85 feet across. So I got 120 feet, 125 feet left. And I have, yeah, so that's that. But that corner all the way to here, that corner all the way down to that corner right there. So I just have to do the front side, add the gate where those two slanted poles are. Right in between there's a 10-foot dual gate, and then another 10-foot dual gate right here. And there'll be a class 5 gravel road coming right to this gate, and same with the one in the front there. But basically these, I did not zip tie them. I basically used the hog rings and hung the fence, and then I will tighten the fence up and zip tie it after, which this is the best way to do it, I found, and much faster. But there you go. I mean, if you want a cost-effective deer fence and you do not want to hire a professional fence company to come out and charge you $15,000, if this fence was built with 4x4s and all lumber, it would have, plus all the cement, all the holes, it would have cost probably double the amount of this fence, maybe even more than double, plus labor. And these big companies have high overheads, so you're going to pay a ton of money for a fence. And this one, you can order it in a kit. It'll show up at your door, and you can do it. You and some friends, or get you and your kids to do it, depending on how big it is. I mean, it's not very hard, but very cost effective compared to your normal fence. And all this is doing is keeping the deer away from your food. And trust me, that is definitely worth it when the deer can destroy all the food you have growing. And then also the bunny rabbits, we will be making sure at the bottom the bunny rabbits can't get in, so that problem will be gone also. You have birds and stuff that come in that will eat berries and stuff like that. Not much you can do about that. But if you plant, let's say, sunflowers and some of these other plants that have seeds that the birds like, plant those outside your fenced-in area, and they will attract, especially sunflowers, they will attract all the birds outside of your fenced-in area. If you have, grow along the outside of your fence. And there you have it. But this fence, I'll be coming back Monday morning, and I will finish it. I'm sure it's going to take me about 5 hours, I'd have to say, because I got to put the gates together and then hang the fence zip tie everything, and then now I got 10 hours left because I got some other stuff to do. Once the fence is up and complete, then I gotta put the barrier on for the rabbits, and that's probably gonna take all day. But that's that. Anyway, if you would like to transform your backyard, your lawn, your lake home into a food producing perennial regenerative edible landscape, call me 612-990-5345, and I have sample designs you can take a look at to see what other people have done in their yards to give you some inspiration and ideas. And we can talk on the phone and see what your goals are, what you want, and one of my professional designers will work with you every step of the way. We get your wind patterns, your water patterns, your sun patterns. We get Google Maps, everything. We get to know your property back and forth, left and right, up and down, in and out, so we can design an ecosystem the way nature intends, and we can take advantage of all the energy of your property, which is water, sun, wind. But that's it for today. Have an amazing day, or shoot me an email at travis@foodforestabundance.com, and let's get the backyard of your dreams designed, and we can plant all the way up until the ground freezes in November. So don't think you have to wait till next year. Fruit trees, berry bushes, vining plants, and all that stuff, they can go in the ground at any time. Vegetables, you better buy them quick, because obviously you should have that planted by now. Annual gardens are completely different. That's a different animal. But the perennial fruit trees, berry bushes, vines, all perennials, you plant them once and they come back every year, and that we design as nature intends. So we design all the trees and plants together, and they work together to, just like any forest you see on the side of the road. That is how we design your yard. But have an amazing day, and all you gents out there, have an amazing Father's Day tomorrow, and we'll talk to you Monday. Grow food, not lawns. See ya.